Hello and welcome to this video working in Jisc Online Surveys version 3. So today I'm going to show you how to clone an existing survey and then edit it slightly so that you might capture some different types of data. Now the reason why you might do this is that you might have designed your study to be advertised, say, in social media, but you found it a little difficult to get participants, so you're looking at including your study on some sort of institutional participation pool like Sona Systems, that kind of thing. So you might need to add an additional question to your survey in order to be able to advertise on that platform. And this is one way you could do it. Okay, from the dashboard in Jisc Online Surveys version 3, click on the ellipses beside the study you want to duplicate. Click Duplicate and then change the name to something logical. Click on the new study. Check that it's the right study. Then on your page with the demographics questions, add a new question. Here we're using single text. We're going to enter the text for the question and then click on the settings gear, validation, turn on validation, and we're changing this from text to integer and changing the upper limit to 9999. This is because the Sona unique IDs have 4 digits in them. Click Finish Editing. Go to the Distribution tab. Click Launch Survey in the top right and copy the URL to share with your participants. Okay, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, really. So if you've got any questions or any comments, please leave them below in the comments section. And if you could like and subscribe just to help my channel, that would be amazing. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.